Welcome to Grandma Olivia's Corner. Yes, I know, Grandma's in a different setting today. And I did that on purpose. Most of the time I'm going to read, or there'll be often times where I will read, but I'm also going to do some little mini lessons in between the readings that we do. Only because I think it's going to be helpful for you. So today I want to go over the CH sound. Ch. Here are a list of words where we see the CH and it makes the ch sound. So we're going to sound out some of those words, and then Grandma's going to take a moment and write some more words up there, and we're going to see what sound does CH make in those words. So in the first word we have chase. Ch, a, s, and the E is silent. The second word we have ch, oo, s, the E is silent. We have ch, e, p, the A is silent. We have ch, e, t, the A is silent. We have ch, e, re. We have ch, I, old. We have ch, e, We have ch, oi, s, and this E is silent. We have ch, ain, j, the E is silent. We have ch, a, nel. We have ch, e, s, and this E is silent. And we have ch, art. And those are just some few words that have the ch, meaning the CH sound. Most of these CH sounds are at the beginning of the word. We have some other CH sounds that may not always come up as CH. So if we have the word sit, chew, a, shun. The word is situation. We don't have a CH in that word, but we hear sit-chew-a-ch. So in this case, sometimes that might be a ch sound. We have words like patch. The word patch, we do have a CH, but this TCH is making that sound. So sometimes TCH makes the ch sound. And then we have other words with CH that's going to make a k sound. Let's think about some of those words. We have ANCHOR. What word is that? Let's sound it out. Ank, or anchor. Do you know what an anchor is? Sometimes it's the thing that we throw overboard to stabilize the ship or to stop something from moving. So an anchor holds things steady, or it pulls it down, or gets it situated. And then we have the word ACHE, another CH, but it doesn't say ch. We don't say HE or eh. We say ache. That's what that word is. It is ache. So in this case, the CH here makes the k sound. Or it makes the hard C sound, which is the same as K. And we all know what an ache is. Sometimes, Mommy, my stomach aches. My foot aches. My finger aches. And those aches usually come at bedtime because you don't want to go. I know. Because sometimes I don't want to go to bed, and it seems like everything starts hurting at nighttime. But don't worry about it. Once you get some sleep, you're much better. What about this word? ORCHID. That is what? Orchid. So this here makes the k sound. So there are several words that has ch. Some will say ch. Most will say ch. Some will say k. And that's our lesson for today with the ch sound from Grandma Olivia's Corner. Come back for another mini lesson.